Hello my wonderful people, you welcome back to Benny's Kitchen. So today we'll be making this meaty potato pottage. Now let's get started. So in there is the goat meat I'll be using for this recipe. You can use any meat of your choice, but I'll be using goat meat, some chopped onions and salt and seasoning cubes. So I'll just give this a quick stir, add some water to it and allow to cook till it's soft. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I say you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and please share this video if you find it useful. And if you're my old and returning subscriber, or if you have not subscribed to my channel but you view my videos, thank you very much. You're welcome back to my channel. And please do not forget or hesitate to subscribe. So now the meat is well cooked and I'll be taking this out from the stock. I'll be separating the meat from the stock, and you can continue cooking from now, but I'll be frying this meat to I just feel like frying it, but normally I cook it like this, but today I just feel like frying it. So in another pot I'll be adding in my washed potatoes. So the way I cut it, that's how I cut it. You can cut it to whatever shape you want, and I'll be adding some salt to it and I'll cook till it's halfway done. So I'm going to be checking the potatoes now to see if it's half done. And now it's half done. I'm going to be taking this out of the pot. I'll strain out the water and I'll just pour some cold water on it so as to stop it from cooking. And back in my pot, I'm just going to be frying this meat. I've cut it into bite sizes. So I'm just going to fry this, not very dry, but just to fry. That way I'm still going to infuse more flavor into this oil. And this potato is just going to be a goaty potato pottage. I think that's the best title for it, a goaty potato pottage. So I'll be adding in the remaining chopped onions and I'm going to fry this. I'm just going to continue cooking this. I'm not taking this meat out from the oil. I'll keep on cooking from now. So after frying the onions, I'll just fry for like a minute, after which I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes. So after introducing the tomato, I'm going to be cooking this for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you know, for everything to marry together, for everything, the onions, the meat and the tomato. I'm going to add in some seasoning. I'm going to add in my pepper, thyme and stock cube. And I'll cook this for like 20 minutes for everything to come together. This potato is going to be so tasty. Believe you me, this potato is so tasty. The first time I tried this, oh my god, I was going for more. And I'll say my elder brother did a good job. Yes, I learned this recipe from my brother. Yeah, so give this a try and you would love it. Yes, it's a guarantee you would love it. If you don't like eating potatoes this way, when you make potato this way, you won't even know that you're eating potato. So in a clean pot, I'm just going to add in the potato. I'll call the pre-cooked potato, and I'm going to pour in the sauce, and I'll just combine together and I'll allow them to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. And when stirring this, you have to be very careful because you don't want to get your potato mashed, you know, while stirring it. So you just have to be careful because this potato is just soft and delicate at this time. So you just carefully turn or stir and cover and allow to cook. And I'm going to be adding some meat stock. The meat stock I got from the goat meat. So I'm just going to be adding some into this and I'll just cover and cook. And our potato pottage is ready. So I'm just going to add in some chopped green capsicums, This is optional, but I'm just going to add this for color and just for that flavor it gives. So I'm just going to give this a gentle stir, a gentle mix, and allow this to cool down for a while before I'll serve. Will you try this recipe? If you do, please let me know, and let me know what you think about it. It's so yummy and delicious. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all, and please stay safe. Bye.